By 2029, robo-taxis would have gained almost 90% of Tesla's value. This change will change Tesla's business plan from selling cars once and making some money from software to a steady stream of income, very good margins. Not only will self-driving cars change how we get around and make transportation better, but they will also make Tesla a lot of money, which is great for shareholders. Tasha, Tesla stock could hit $2,600 a share in 2029. That's only 4 years from now. You already know that we've taken profits from our ETFs as the stock has gone up from $5 when we bought it to $400. The stock already has a lot of good news built into it, and we still think it will do well in the long run. But the groundwork that NVIDIA has made will help a new group of stocks. NVIDIA is mostly a hardware stock with some software, but Tesla is about to hit the perfect storm, which could cause its market cap to rise by many trillions of dollars. In this video, we'll talk about the game-changing strategies that could power this huge rise, such as Tesla's ambitious move towards self-driving cars and a new kind of software-as-a-service model. We'll also talk about some outside factors and important choices Elon Musk could make that could push Tesla's stock price above its all-time highs. We'll look at everything from changes in the global economy to progress in technology to show why top analysts like ARK Invest are so bullish on Tesla's future. Come with us as we look at what this might mean for investors, the car market as a whole, and the future of transportation. Prepare to learn a lot about how Tesla's business and technology have changed over time. But before we start, don't forget to click the like and subscribe boxes. Let's get started with Tesla stock news. If you add up the market values of big tech companies like NVIDIA, Apple, and Tesla, you get an amazing $7 trillion. But it gets even more interesting. ARK Invest, an investment company, thinks that by 2029, Tesla could reach a market value close to this one. Yes, Tesla's possible market cap could get close to what NVIDIA, Apple, and another $1 trillion are worth right now. Think about this. In the past few months, NVIDIA's stock price has grown by a huge amount. For Tesla's market cap to grow at the same rate, it would have to multiply by a huge amount, which would add the value of 2 NVIDIAs over the next 5 years. According to ARK Invest research, this huge rise might be mostly due to Tesla's move into robo-taxis, which could change the company's main business focus from selling cars to making steady money with high profit margins. This change could have a big effect on both Tesla's finances and the way we commute every day. Self-driving cars are supposed to make the roads safer and more efficient. This change could be very profitable for Tesla's owners. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There have also been problems with making Tesla cars. Tesla has moved away from an older way of making cars, but new information shows that the company is changing and using some of those new ways of making cars in future models. This ability to change could be very important as the business increases production to reach its lofty goals. When it comes to tech, being correct and up-to-date is important. When people talk about cutting-edge technology, it's strange to see old footage used. It makes you wonder about the stories that big media outlets tell and the interests that shape what viewers see. The automotive industry is quickly coming around to the idea of using a software-as-a-service approach. Imagine that Tesla made a strategic shift toward a fleet sales model, which led to the growth of companies that run and maintain these fleets. This change could be very profitable, especially for businesses that are used to working with gasoline-powered cars. Adopting new technology isn't the only thing that's changing. The whole business plan is changing. Companies can reposition themselves in a way that benefits them in the changing automotive landscape by switching to this plan. The change has the potential to bring the industry up to speed with new technologies while also changing the way it makes money. By making this change, these businesses can take advantage of the scalability and efficiency of the SaaS model. This turns vehicles from standalone products into parts of a continuous service and income stream. This change could lead to higher profits and longer-term viability, setting a new standard for how car companies work and compete in a market that is becoming more digital and eco-friendly. Based on this plan, Tesla might get a cut of the money made per mile, similar to how Uber does it now. On the other hand, Tesla might be able to get a higher share because it has lower costs and fully owns and runs the network. Tesla could get a big share of the market if it set prices that are about the same as Uber and Lyft, especially in the beginning. Early adoption and growth of this model are very important, as the first 50% of all miles changed to robotaxis could determine the industry's future economic landscape. Now, let's go back to ARK Invest's wild guesses about how much Tesla will be worth in the future. Even though the finance media have made correct predictions in the past, there is still a lot of doubt in the world. ARK thinks that Tesla's market cap will grow by a huge amount over the next few years. If these statements come true, it will be similar to the huge jumps in Tesla's stock value in the past. Think about how drastically Tesla's stock price changed in late 2019, when, after accounting for splits, each share was worth about $22. Within a few months, the stock price went through the roof, rising an amazing 1,700%. People in the financial world were amazed and talked a lot about this incredible growth. It was a financial win for sure, but it also caught the attention of both experienced investors and casual onlookers. ARK Invest's bold statements are even more shocking when it comes to what they say will happen with Tesla. According to their research, Tesla's market value will rise to between $7 and $8 trillion in the next 5 years. To give you an idea of how big this is, such a rise would not only beat the huge gains seen in late 2019, but it would also set new records for the stock market. This expected growth would be a big step forward, showing how Tesla's strategic shift toward autonomous technology has changed things and how it could completely change the car and technology industries around the world. This big prediction depends on Tesla's ability to successfully move into self-driving cars and other new businesses. If they succeed, Tesla could become more than just a car company. They could be a star in a mobility revolution. Getting such a high valuation has huge implications. It points to a time when Tesla's impact goes far beyond traditional car categories. This could set new standards for how we think about combining transportation and technology. Even though Tesla has made a lot of progress in self-driving technology, its stock is selling almost 60% below where it was in November 2021. This difference shows a big difference between how much the company is worth on the stock market and how far it has come in technology. The growth that ARK Invest predicts would not be a 14 to 15-fold increase if Tesla's stock were still at its highest point in 2021. Instead, it would be a normal continuation of an already impressive growth path. This difference shows that the market hasn't fully understood or priced in Tesla's stock the possible effects of its innovations in self-driving cars. As the technology improves and becomes more important to Tesla's business model, the company's value may be reevaluated. This could bring the stock price more in line with the company's technological achievements and future possibilities. Tesla stock paints a clear picture of what might have been. If things had gone differently, the stock might have gone above its all-time high. But a string of world problems, such as pandemic lockdowns, financial stimulus, and rising interest rates, stopped it. Adding to this is the media frenzy surrounding Elon Musk's business efforts, such as his purchase of X, which some people think has taken his attention away from Tesla's main goal. These things might not have happened, and Tesla's stock would be worth between $600 and $700 per share right now. ARK Invest predictions are very positive for Tesla. They show that the company's market value could grow 3 to 5 times. This positive outlook means that Tesla is almost ready to reach important operational and technical milestones, especially with its cutting-edge robo-taxi network. Tesla has always shown resilience and a strong ability to come up with new ideas, even when faced with problems. These are qualities that have helped the company move forward in the very competitive car market. In the past year, Tesla stock was trading for as little as $38.88, which seems almost too good to be true now. This growth is even more impressive when you consider that price. Given how quickly Tesla has made progress toward its lofty technological goals, this low value seems almost unbelievable. The company's ability to keep going during times of economic uncertainty and market volatility has not only shown how strong its business model is, but it has also made it more appealing to investors looking for growth chances in cutting-edge technology. Tesla's smart moves, like expanding its self-driving technology and adding it to its robo-taxi program, show how strong it is. People think that these projects will change how people get around cities and maybe even change the way cars are used for transportation. from people owning their own cars to using services. Many people are shocked by what they think is a discount, and talks in the investment world often show shock at such low prices. This case shows how much potential people who sold their shares during this time missed. Tesla owners recently approved Musk's pay package, which is likely to make him even more determined to make the company successful. Robotaxis and other technologies like humanoid robots are likely to move forward faster with the help of this new motivation. These changes mean that the next 5 years could be very important for Tesla. It could experience growth and profits that have never been seen before, which would be great for its owners. That's all there is to this movie. We've talked in depth about Tesla's possible future in the world of self-driving cars and the new ways of making money that could change the auto business. We've talked about how Tesla could use a fleet sales model similar to software as a service, change the way people get around, and make more money. So how will Tesla's move towards selling cars in fleets affect the market as a whole?